Fly like an eagle to the sea. What is this?
That's not a
It's gonna be fun.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well.
Can I sit on there with you?
Yeah.
We can all go.
Room for a friend. Mel out here trying to show everybody up. Hey, it's a no wake zone. I'll catch you. Slowly but surely. He's testing out the new NK or NT 300 on an inflatable. Launched from Paradise Point. Hoping to go out and catch something today. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Hobies, you can't do this.
No.
We're gonna have a hard time getting Michael off the water. I said we're gonna have a hard time getting you off the water. I guess because they have pockets on them right here. Keep your shit out of the way. The full ones? I can't stand those. I get too hot. A wacky Cinco, huh? Sometimes it's all that works. Then it's a bad day. Ah. I think they're pushed out a little deeper. No. I told you guys to go left. I believe you were leading the way, Captain. It's a good fish.
You want to get a picture?
Yeah, hold on.
Dude, let's find stuff.
What's your rod? You want to get a picture for me? I'm posting on my Instagram. You know, I'm gonna be famous. Alright, I lost the top to my water, so stay. Oh, you're flipping? I told you. Flipping fish? What are you punching? You're punching a tree. I'll take two. Hold it up vertically by the mouth. Yeah. That's good. There we go. You good? We're good. Can you act like you've caught a fish before? Come on. This punching stuff, man, it's fun. It catches big fish. I told you. Romel, what was the most iconic comedy when you were a kid growing up for you?
Iconic comedy?
Yeah, one that you could just never get tired of. Yeah, movie. Yeah. So many good quotes. And it's always on TV. Yeah, but you go in through the hook side. Yeah, I'm burying you, but I'm not dead, Brennan. Shh, you're gonna wake the neighbors. Yeah. Oh, he's had a lot of good movies.
Wait, so just through the one loop, right? You don't shoot it through again?
Correct. I'm probably gonna lose it in this fucking vegetation. Drop shot! I don't even think it's a keeper. It's not even a keeper. 11.75. God damn it, it broke me off. And jumped out. Did you see that? It broke me off on my 8-pound test and then jumped out of my boat. That's what you get. About 5. Yeah, about 5. 4.5 to 5. Hauling ass. What time is it? Huh? What time is it? Oh, how fast you're going? Yeah, at least 7. You got a wake behind you.
I was using my Navionics app.
Yeah, you're going pretty fast that time. Good thing you wore your water shoes, Bray.
I should have brought my NRS speed.
No. Now we do a hard turn. Okay. Now we kill the motor right there. Okay. Dude. Battery, plugs, disconnect the controller, all that stuff. Hi, Hopper. Hi, Hopper. Hi. What are you doing? You're watching TV?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hey, how was that chicken? The chicken was hella good, huh?
Yeah, I saved you one.
Alright, did you make the couch up by chance?
I can.
Can you make the couch up for Michael?
Yeah.
Alright. Harper, if you put any more of my keys in your mouth, you're in trouble. Tired of this shit.
You're on your way home?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a scholarship because I run tournaments, not diversity.
God damn it. Ray, you're bad luck.
I did the same thing. You're scaring all my tree fish away.
Look at this thing. I caught the whole tree.
And that is why we fished 50 pounds of line.
65.